Hello and welcome to Cook Command Center Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to navigate to the Remote View ATM page and view the different transactions that have occurred on your ATM. But first, I'm going to show you the dashboards page when you first log into Cook Command Center. What you'll see is all of your locations. You'll also see 4 interactive tabs up at the top, one being location, next being security open service orders, the next being ATM open service orders, and lastly, preventative maintenance service orders. On the left-hand side, you'll see the menu icon. You'll see customer view. You'll also see remote view if you have any of our remote view products. In the remote view ATM dashboard, what you'll see is dashboard, analytics, activity, electronic journals, and details. What we're going to navigate to is the activities tab. From here, what you'll see is you'll either select all or an individual terminal. You'll select the transaction type, whether it be transaction, host data, boot up, device status, power up, cash unit change, supervisor, interactive teller session, cash dispenser, bill dispense, or receipt printer. We're going to start with the transaction. You're going to then click an associated date. Click Go. From there, as you can see, you can download particular files, but you also can view all activity for particular pans or particular machines or time frame, whatever you'd like, you can view here. From this, we're going to go to host data. Host data is going to differentiate from transactional data by giving you a little bit more information. But what you're going to see is that the information is a lot more generic. So you're going to see a lot more line items up at the top. Rather than individual tasked out lines, you're going to just see lines. So it's going to be generic, but you're going to be able to put 2 and 2 together by knowing, oh, this is line item, line 4 is pan, line 5 is address, line 6 is city, line 8 is going to be transactional data, 9 is going to be from account type. So you can kind of just go through and see the different lines. But as you can see, host data gives you much more information than the transaction. And lastly, say there was a supervisory, say somebody had to access the machine, you would see that under the supervisor menu. Again, up here, say you were searching for a specific pan or something that you'd like to search for. Say there was a specific account you wanted to search for, you could do it here in the quick search. Thank you for watching Cook Command Center tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Cook Command Center, please click here for our tutorial channel. Or you can click here at cc.cooksecurity.group.com for more documentation and downloads.